Could be dealing with the Taurus, Capricorn, or Virgo. No, this is all about you. Capricorn energy. I feel like this energy is being balanced out. Yeah. I feel like you're in control of your own mind, your own well-being, your own justice, your own karma. I feel like someone's really reaping the harvest of the work they put in. We got the Ace of Swords, okay? Clarity and truth, intellect. It's just backed it up here, okay? Someone's walking in their divinity. Tower moment. Necessary changes. It's okay. Hermit mode. Gives you time to chill. Let the chips fall where they may.